I love my DMR, especially my hotspot.
Nice.
I don't have to worry about programming repeaters as I travel around the state.
Are you getting help with BridgeCom University?
Absolutely. Online videos are phenomenal.
And I did the programming myself. I didn't get a preloaded hotspot or anything. I just got everything basic and just followed your videos.
It's been great. Everybody says DMR is a big learning curve, but BridgeCom's done an amazing job at taking that curve and flattening it to a point where I think most amateur radio users can handle
I
it.
went ahead and chose BridgeCom because of the fact I've seen so many of the advertisements. I figured they seem to be the leader in the group and everything. By the time I got back to my room, I went ahead and had emails that had links to go ahead, get into BridgeCom University, saw some of the videos. My question was, how many people at BridgeCom have their doctorate in education? The videos are that good. They explain things. I knew nothing about talk groups, zones, anything like that. By watching these, I found out it was very easy to learn, easily explained.